Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to extend the disk space in a virtual machine, whether you're running out of space or simply need more storage. I'm going to open a Windows 7 virtual machine. As you can see, the C drive is currently 60 GB. If you go to Disk Management, you'll notice that we can't extend it anymore, and there's only about 11 GB of free space remaining. To begin, we need to shut down the virtual machine. Then, go to the virtual machine settings, navigate to the hard disk section, and click on Expand. Enter your desired size. In my case, I typed in 120 GB, and click Expand. Once it's done, click OK. As you can see, the disk size has now increased to 120 GB. Power on the virtual machine. And go to Computer. You'll notice that the C drive is still showing a total capacity of 60 GB. To fix this, right-click on Computer, go to Manage, and then open Disk Management. Right-click on the C drive and choose Extend Volume. All the available unallocated space will already be selected. Just click Next, then Finish. Now, as you can see, the full 120 GB has been allocated to the C drive. Refresh my computer, you'll see that the C drive now has over 71 GB of free space available. This method will work with any version of Windows in a VM. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.